Hey, hi guys. So today I'm gonna compute this topic here, and now I'm gonna show you if you want to delete something, remove some items in the list, how to do that. So let me create one list. That list is banana cherry here. So here's the list, and if I want to remove banana, so what do I do? This list remove. Let's use the remove method. Remove banana. And let's see this list. Okay, the banana is being removed in the list. So if I use this list to show this list, only 2 items left here. So if you use the capitalized what it will happen, so it doesn't match because you need to match. Is sensitive. The case is sensitive here. So banana. Yeah. So here's the first method. Here's first method you can remove from the list, and the second method. This is pop. Use the pop method. Pop. The index is 1. So because the banana is located in 1 index. So let's see. Apple cherry. Yeah. The same result. And the third method. Use the del. Delete. Just like the delete. Delete the first the 1 index 1. Let's see. Same result. Okay. Okay, right now if you want to delete the whole list, just like the previous lesson I'll show you. So if you want to delete the whole list, so there are 3 methods you can use. There are 3 ways. So the first one is that is list the whole items, the whole thing will be the empty list. That's the first method. But in here, you only delete the whole items, but you remain. But the variable will also be there. Yeah, it also exists. Yeah, only the empty list. And so here's the empty list. If you print out. So and the second method here, the whole thing. This list also prints out the empty list here. And if you use the third method, it will delete the variable as well. Everything, you will delete everything. So delete this list. Let's see. This list. If you print out this list, it will show you that this list is not defined because this variable, the variable itself is also being deleted. So if you try to call this variable, you have to give you the error message here. So that's how it works. And the next I will show you how to use this comprehension here. It's really useful. So this comprehension, but if you want to learn this comprehension, you need to know you need to know the for loop. Yeah. So here, let's see if we only use the for loop to print the each items for loop for x in this is I've deleted this. Okay, define here again. So print the x. So apple, banana, cherry. So the x is variable. So the x is in this list. So apple, banana, cherry. Or you could use this thing. For I in range 3, print this I. Same output. Okay. So and when I these are not the list comprehension. So if you use the list comprehension, so list comprehension, which means you create a list and the list and inside the list you could use a for loop to print out the items in the new list here. So let me show you. Okay. Here's a new list. X for X in this list. Here, list comprehension. So here is the new list. If you could add the variable here, new list, and print the list. I put the same outcome. So here's a here's the list comprehension. If you use the for loop here, or you could use this method, but here is a little troublesome here. For x in this list, here's new list dot append x and print. Okay, after the for loop, print list. Without using the list convention, you need to write several lines. There are a lot of code here to get the same outcome. If you just use the list convention, so it's really convenient here. So only one line, and it's really simple here. You could add some condition, just like here. This is 1. 1 to 10 here. And it's the list comprehension. Print out the x. For loop, use the for loop for x in this list. If x percentage 2 is here, which means if the remainder is 0, mod x mod 2 is 0, So which means if is an even number, print you print out in the list. So add you'll be added in the list. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So that's it. So if you use like this method here, that's a little trouble. But it will print out the same, give you the same result. So if x percentage to 0 and print out the values, same result. But it only needs one line. So it's the greatest advantage of using the list comprehension. So that's it. Yes, so you can use any condition you like. If this condition comes true, you being add to this the list you created here. So it's really useful here and it's short and it saves the time to call like this instead of like this. Okay, next. How about the sorting? Sorting here. This is 100. Okay, let's see. Sorting here. This is sort and print the this list. This is by the ascending series. It is being sorted here. So if you want to sort these numbers on descending order, use reverse equals to true. So by descending order, 186, 86, or 45, 14. So that's it. And here you could, if you know the function, we could apply the function here on this sorting. If you know, so a function here. Just for example, so if returns yeah, okay. So key function. Okay, here. Here's the ABS stands for the absolute value. Here. So here's the function, def here function. Use the function here, the key is like key is the same as the items. So 145, 16 is the every item is calls the key. And key, you use the key equals to function. FUNC is the function, the name of the function. Put you can put each of the key inside the function to calculate -10 and absolute this and print it out. Eventually, so you print this like this. Yeah. So and the next about the sorting here. So Let me copy this and create a new list. Yeah. And then you we use the sort ed sort this list and print the new list. Yeah. And okay, let's see what the difference between the sorted method. It's a sorted method. And the previous one is the sort method. Yeah, there are little difference. The sorted method, it won't change the original one. So if you print the original one, this is in the original. And here, which means it doesn't affect the original list. And this method it will change original. So that's is the okay. And you could use the like let me copy here. Okay, let's see. String upper. Nothing changed. Okay, let's capitalize this. We use lower string str. Those are the string lower. So okay, I see here. If you want a case insensitive, a case insensitive sort function, use string lower as the function. So so that's is the outcome here. If you don't use this line, if you don't write this line, I'll put the same order right here. So that's how it works. And here, if you want to reverse these items, these keys by reversely, so you could just use the reverse method. So cherry, key, orange. So that's it. Just reverse by order here. So here, and if you want to copy, the list. So new list. This is copy. Just use the copy method. Not new. Yes, new list copy. So if you copy this, and if you change something here, like if you want to delete the index 2, you won't affect the original one. Because you copy, you have copied them. So if you make some changes on the new list, you won't be the old list won't be changed. Yeah. So or you could use this method, new list. List. Create a list. The list is same as the older one. In a new list. So it's the same result. Same. Yeah, the same outcome. If you make some changes, like if you delete, if you insert something, okay, append something like so it makes sense here. But let's check the older one. It won't be affected as well. So it's the same outcome like the previous method. So it's up to you here. And next you can how to join the list. So this one, like and this two, one, two, three. Join them. Means this one plus this. So let's see. Because this one comes first, so it prints out like this one first. It's easy, or you could use this method, the traditional method. Use the for loop x in this one. Next two. This one dot append x and print this one. So here's the traditional method. Here's the new method. Yeah. Or you could just use the extend method. This one dot extend this two. So this one. Yeah, three methods you could use. You could copy, you could insert, or you could insert by yourself. Yeah, use extend. So that's it. And here are several other methods I can tell you. So like this one count. How many items in this one? Oh. Yeah. This one is 4. Here's the len function. If you want to use like okay, so print this one dot count. If you want to count how many true in the list one, here's 4 items and 2 of 4 are true. So you put true 2. So if you count how many 0 in the list one, equals to true because false is true. Oh, no, because false is 0. If you use the list 2, these two here, these two have 1, 2, 3, and none of them are 0. So that's I believe that I believe that there are the whole concepts on the list you need to learn here. So yeah, I believe I've covered the whole thing. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.